Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about pre-process steps for payroll and the importance of HR data. How to prepare salary in Excel. It is already available in our YouTube channel. You can just click, you will get it. Okay. For every month, there should be some cutoff date for start of payroll process. HR team and finance team should exchange their data on or before 25th of every month. In case any employee joins after 25th of month, then that employee's process should be taken place next month. For example, if you join 26th June, then the salary data will not reflect in June. That 4 days or 5 days salary will be reflected in July salary. Okay, that is the cutoff date. So all information should be cut on particular date. Based on that only the process should start. Then finance team should collect all information relevant to employees and new joinees. The personal information should be like a employee ID, full name, address, bank details. Bank details should cover bank name, branch address, IFSC code and PAN number, family address, family name for group insurance, like that should be covered. Then package. If any new employees are joined, then based on offer letter, we have to get information like a basic HRA special pay. Then one-time benefit like a relocation allowance and joining bonus. If anything is there, that should be covered in offer letter, then only we can process it. Then role, division, location, reporting and designation should have been allocated to employee, then only allowance will be decided. Finance team should get all information from employee's declaration that how much he invested and other rebates like how much house loan he has taken, how much tax is paid previously and how much interest is paying now, like information we should get it. Based on that, tax should be calculated. Then any TDS form is there, we have to collect, and PF account also needs to be collected. Finance team should collect resigned employees list to get active employees. Active employees simply existing employees plus new joinees, and resigned should be eliminated. Finance team collect employees working days and other overtime details, which includes employees who have joined after 25th of month. In case if any employee gets variable pay or increment salary, that should be processed separately and sent for confirmation to HR. Finally, before release of salary or payment, finance team has to confirm with HR that there is no withhold payment. Then finance team can go ahead for releasing payment. This is how finance team and HR team work together for processing payroll to get timely payment to employees. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.